Did you know you can set up your AI agent to automatically show a presentation during a conversation? Well, let me show you how. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you are utilizing AI agents and you have a presentation agent as well, you can set it up to where your AI agent shows that presentation during a conversation. So as you can see for this example, I'm in the desktop version of my Workspace, and we are going to use Julie, my customer experience advisor. I'm going to edit my agent. And for this, I'm going to head up to train. Then on the left-hand side, we have our tools. Now we can see right up here, it says show presentation. If this isn't there, all we need to do is do a quick search for show presentation and it'll automatically populate. Now the great thing about this is you can have multiple presentations. So you can see that the presentation that we started in was about virtual assistants and business, but I'm wanting to show a presentation about weddings. So once I click on the show presentation option, I get to choose the presentation here. So it doesn't matter where you start, you can always do it once you get to this spot. So let's go ahead and choose our elegant wedding venue. And it says, let me know when to show the presentation to user. So let's say when the user asks about wedding venues. All right, let's go ahead and save. All right, from here, I'm gonna head up to publish. I'm gonna choose a standalone version and let's open in a new tab. Now we have Julie, and of course we need to ask about wedding venues. So can your hotel be used as a wedding venue? So of course, before showcasing the presentation, it's going to answer the question. Perfect, so it answered the question, and then here is our presentation. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to get your AI agent to showcase one of your presentation agents, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get a notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.